Greetings, parents, and happy first day of spring. I just wanted to come to you today and give you a quick video of how to work out this homework problem. I've received a few messages from parents stating that their student was unsure of how to work the steps out for this math problem for number 2 on the homework this week. So let's get into it. Break this array into 2 smaller arrays. Write a multiplication expression to match each array. Find the product of the whole array. So the first step we need to do is we need to see how many rows and columns we have. So we have 1, 2, 3 rows. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 columns. So the first step we need to do is we need to see what our rows and columns add up to. So this is a multiplication problem that we can have. So 3 times 11 equals, and this is where we will break down the smaller arrays. But when we do 3 times 11 will give us 33. So we know the product of the whole array is 33. So we can go ahead and put that in. So we know that our 2 smaller multiplication problems need to equal to our whole number, which is 33, or our whole product, which is 33. So to break this array down, we could just break it down with a natural break to break it down smaller. So I suggest using your 3 rows and your columns to break it down into smaller chunks. So we can do 3, because we have 3 rows, times, split our array sort of down the middle even. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 6. And then the array that we have left over will be 3 rows times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So now we need to find the product of our 2 smaller multiplication equations. So 3 times 6 would give us 18. And then 3 times 5 would give us 15. Okay, so your 3 times 5 will equal 15. And then you will take the total from, or the product from the 2 here. $18 plus 15 from the 2 factors here. You'll take the 2 totals. So 18 plus 15 equals 33. And that is how you work that math problem out.